Good morning and welcome to What's Going On. Today I've decided to show you one of the most trending subjects that's been going around these few days, sent by one of my loyal fans. JK, I still have no fans. Anyways, I'm going to show you this amazing riddle that's been shocking the social media for the past few days. Very similar to the Thrills riddle, which we all know. This one is in audio this time, for God's sake. For this piece of audio we have two choices. It's either a Laurel and a Yanny. I don't know who chose those. Weird names to begin, but anyways. What do you hear? Tell me.
Laurel, 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 Laurel.
Was it a Laurel or a Yanny? I'm going to have to repeat it a few more times again for you to focus.
Laurel, 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 Laurel.
So what was it? Was it a Laurel or was it a Yanny? Write down in the comment section below. I'm pretty sure I don't hear any Yannys. Alright guys, this was my debut video to the YouTube world. If you wanna see more videos, just comment down below. It may be a topic or a subject which you wanna hear about, or you wanna know what's going on with it. So, see you guys, peace.